Okay, big storm part 2. Oh, look at that. Somebody was out here already and made a huge one. Good on them. Look at this snow. Okay, so this is part 2. 2 days after I filmed the first bit. And here we go. Oh my goodness. These flakes are ginormous. They're really big. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. They're clumps and clumps of snowflakes together. And here is the... People need to just go home because they don't plow the streets around here. So it just makes it very... Here comes Joseph, our guy that takes care of our apartment. You're looking like...
It's going to get that deep by tomorrow.
No, really?
Yes, ma'am. 15 inches.
Holy mazzolas! Did you hear that? 15 inches here in the Pacific Northwest. I gotta go see this big snowman here. Look at this big snowman. Look at how big it is. Boy, when did they come out here and do him? I don't even see the trails practically. That tree is magical. Just great. Okay, part 2 over.